Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be reviewing this Amazon wig. Right now I do have my hair in like a high ponytail. I'm gonna see today. I'm gonna put my hair in like a low bun, and y'all know I got some thick hair, so I got me a 14-inch wig, and I'm gonna show y'all the package in just a second. These headband wigs look so easy. Like, I have not tried one, so this will be my first time. This is from TALKTO Hair Company, 100% human hair. This is their information on the back. So I'm gonna be trying on the hair now. This is what comes inside. This is the 14-inch wig, headband wig. And it did come with some headbands, which I meant to buy. This is probably the only headband I'm feeling. Not too crazy about the flowers. Yeah, so I'll probably have to get some of my own headbands, but it does come with 3 headbands, girl, in case you want those. There is a wig cap in here, which I don't really think is necessary, but it does protect your hair underneath those wigs. So this is the 14-inch headband wig. I wonder how this would look brushed out. I'm gonna do actually a brushed out look, and then I'll probably do like a wet look with this just to see. So before I put this headband wig on, I want to go ahead and do my edges. I'm gonna be using my B Beauty edge control today. Just something slight. Okay, so I think I got my edges how I want them. I'm about to flip on this wig. So this wig does have combs on the inside. It has, this is the front of the wig, this is the back. This is the front comb. These are the 2 side combs. So I'm gonna be using this front comb to place it. Right, maybe right here. Okay, so to me these combs are a little bit tight on my head. This whole wig really feels snug, and I usually never feel like wigs are too tight, but this is a little tight. Maybe next time I put this on I won't use the combs, but this does have a velvet strap in the back, and I'm gonna strap this in the back. Let me show you guys. That was definitely easy. Yeah, this does not feel like it's going anywhere. Like, this is snug on my head. These are the curls on it. Natural, like wavy curls. I'm gonna go ahead and brush this out just to see what it'll look like if I went for like a naturally big kind of curly look. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, this is the hair 14-inch wig. I love how natural this looks. Yeah, but this joint is snug. It's not going anywhere. Literally. I'm just brushing the curls out just to see it volumized. Yeah, this was definitely an easy wig to put on. I would definitely throw this on if I had like an emergency place to go. Or to the gym. Yeah. Where like, does not feel heavy at all. And the combs are just so snug. Like, this is not going anywhere. Yeah. That's cute. With a little updo, let me see. Let's kind of bring down some pieces. What? This didn't take no time at all, honey. No time at all. Let's see what this looks like wet. I'm gonna get my spray bottle and I'll be right back. So what I'm actually gonna do is put mousse in it to lay it down. I'm using the BTL Braids, Twists, and Locks Moisturizing Sculpting Supreme Performance Wrap Lotion, honey. Yeah. There's nothing else to do or show y'all. Like, this is perfect. And it was very affordable. So I don't know if y'all have ever used shirt as headbands before, but that's my thing. But you can use shirts as headband. All you have to do is cut the end of it twice and wrap it around itself and create a headband. So I think I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. So you just cut the end of a shirt, literally just cut across the shirt twice. So you want a fairly medium small piece, and you're gonna want to do that twice. So I'm gonna make my second one. So I have my 2 pieces. What I'm gonna do is just pull it and pull this one, my 2 pieces. I'm going to place one higher and throw that down. So it looks like this. And then I'm gonna go like this. And this longer one, this one already is like folded. This longer piece, you're gonna grab it from the middle of this. So literally pull, and this creates a headband. So I'm gonna use this side like this and wrap it probably twice. So put that there. And then I'm gonna do it twice. And I'm gonna pull this over and create a headband. Literally, I forgot where I learned that from. I think it was Pinterest, but you can just fix it up how you see fit, just so you can hide the other headband. Make sure that black one is tucked. Or you could fold the black one a little bit back so that you can't see it, but you can't see it right here. It should be good. Yeah. That's how you make a whole new headband. But yeah, I'm feeling this wig. I'm gonna take some pictures. You guys let me know what you think of this video and this headband wig. If you do purchase it, please let me know. I'm gonna leave the link for it, the direct link for it down below. And this headband, of course, is made by the shirt I just got. I got that shirt from like H&M or Forever 21. Just pick whatever color you want and just cut the end of it, and then just go ahead and wrap it and create yourself a headband, girl. Cause yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, this headband wig, are y'all seeing this headband wig? Are y'all seeing the curls on this? This took me, how long does this take me? Girl, this took me like 5 minutes. Copy one of these headband wigs. Stop playing.